Hi guys, welcome. Today I am doing one of 3 makeup looks in a series for the Sydney Grace and Temptalia eyeshadow palettes. I decided to do a video of each before completely taking them apart and rearranging the shades in a way that's more practical for my usage. Nothing against the design of the palettes, but for me, I don't like jumping between palettes, and there's some of the colors that I really like using together, so I'm just going to rearrange them in a way that works for me. And I will also upload a video of that when I'm done with these. But for now, I'm doing the 3 palettes. This one is the On the Horizon palette. It's the more everyday usable earthy toned palette. The colors are not as harsh, but I think for people who get intimidated by using colors, this is the better option of the 3. And also for people who are starting off with makeup and with using colors in general. So this is the look that I created. I think I used most of the colors in there, if not all. So stay tuned if you want to see how I did this look. Today I went in with NYX Professional Micro Pro pencil for my eyebrows in the color ash brown. Looks like this. And then I set the brows with Benefits 24-hour brow setter from Benefits Cosmetics. And then I just prep my eyelids with a base concealer. I use the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD High Definition in the color Natural. Just a light layer of that to prime my eyelids, and then I set it with the Huda Beauty Banana Bread Baby Baker's Baking and Setting Powder. With the Sydney Grace and Temptalia collaboration palette On the Horizon, I am taking October Odyssey on a fluffy brush and just placing that quite high up on my crease and blending it towards the brow bone. I want to do kind of an earthy look today. So let's see where this goes. I think from the 3 palettes, this is the best one to do an earthy or more natural look. If you're not into colors. I'm taking it on the inner side quite high up. I want to kind of put a lighter side on the bottom to just lift the inner side of the eye. I'm taking that green desert spoon color on a fluffy brush and placing it below that color more to the outer side. Blend that softly inwards. I'm deepen up with a different color. I just want to get a hint of that earthy green tone in here. I'm taking a densely defined brush with infinite echoes, and I'm using that to deepen up the outer corner. So just creating some shadow and depth. This outermost part. I don't want to take it up too high. I don't want that green to disappear. Want some depth. I'm just taking that fluffy brush that I started off with and blending out the edges. Okay, I'm taking that shiny green, mossy green, earthbound, and just placing it in the center of the lid and blending it a bit. I have no idea how to pronounce this, but I'm taking that Megalands light on my finger and placing it in a part, just softly dragging it over the green. Just taking a clean fluffy brush and just blending the edges in. Then on a teeny tiny brush, I'm taking Lunar Illumination and placing that on the inner corner for a bit of color, just dragging it outwards, making a bit of an arch. On a flat fluffy brush, I'm taking Heart Dog, placing that against the brow bone. And just taking that first brush again, blending top here, and want that shine to come down to low. I'm taking October Odyssey on that fluffy brush again and just blending that below the eye, close to the lash line, and just softly blending it a bit down. I'm going to take Midnight Courage. It's this dark navy color. Use it to just darken up close to the lash line. I'm using this angled brush, but it's a bit more fluffy than my other angled brushes. Just a brush that can easily fit in close to the lash line while not making too harsh a line. I think I'm going to take that Midnight Courage just against the lash line here as well. On a very flat, very thin brush, I'm taking that flying high and just on this inner part of the lower lash line up to about halfway, just adding that pop of color there. Okay, so I went a lot more colorful than I intended. Let's go do liner and lashes and see what it looks like. So what do we think, guys? This is the final look. I used some Ardell Dira Lash Trios, Knotted Trios, and some fluffy lashes on the ends. I didn't add too many lashes. I wanted to try and keep it a bit more neutral and open for a softer everyday look. So I'll link the lashes in the bottom below because I don't really know these other lashes off by heart. For eyeliner, I added Sigma Wicked eyeliner and just smudged it out a bit closer to the lash line. And I used Maybelline Sky High mascara on the upper lashes before adding the lashes in the ends as well as on the lower lashes. That's what it looks like now. What do you think? I think it's nice for a softer look, a more earthy look. Generally, I tend to go for the more colorful colors. That's why I like the other two palettes a bit more. I tend to go a lot more dramatic with colors, but I think this is very nice for someone who's still a bit intimidated by the idea of using colors, or someone who just likes to add a bit of color but not really go all out with extreme coloring. Then I've got 2 more to go, so please keep an eye out for that if you're interested in seeing what the other palettes look like. And keep an eye out for the video where I repot and reorganize my 3 Sydney Grace and Temptalia palettes. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope to see you next time. Bye!